Hi everybody, Henry Artiga here. So I want to invite you guys to an open house we're having Saturday and Sunday. That's this Saturday the 9th and Sunday the 10th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. here at this beautiful home at 5915 Pueblo Canyon, Las Vegas, Nevada 89131. All right, so come check it out. You can take a tour of the whole house. You got to see this beautiful. I mean, this house is gorgeous. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 3,700 square feet. It has, as you can see, it is completely upgraded. I mean, this thing has been upgraded from top to bottom. All windows are covered. You have so many extras that I can't tell you everything about the house, but I'm telling you, come join us this Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., okay? I look forward to seeing you here. If you want to, send me a text or call me for more information, 702-285-8168. 702-285-8168. Henry Artiga, your realtor cousin with eXp Realty, license number S0173900. Take care. I hope to see you here this weekend. Bye-bye for now.